Okay, this might be better. Like it's like an original chip type shit. It's boring anyway. All right, we got the crunchy Cheetos. I ain't gonna lie, bruh. Crunchy. I give them a C for when I was a kid, I guess. I only ate these. And I get these like a... I ain't gonna lie, these was hitting. I give them a B. Okay, as a matter of fact, no. I'm gonna just do the ones I tasted. I'm gonna just do the one I tasted, bro. Chip mix. I mean, I had chip mix. Ain't like a C. You know, it ain't that crazy. You got pretzels and all that you want. Nah, they ain't that bad. All taste the same? Question mark? What? What y'all been the question mark for? What? What's the question mark for? I'm confused. Is y'all question mark the chip mix? Yeah, but like, is these the original? And what? Or is these the original? Okay, so this the original. Okay, I'll give original a C. Had these before. They ain't that bad, but I'm gonna put them right there with it. Chili cheese, I had these. They mid to me now, bruh. They mid as shit. I put it right there. I ain't had them in a long time, but they good though. Hold on, what is these? Am I tripping? What the fuck is that? Oh, I might be tripping. Is these hot fries? Lime? Oh, hell no. Get the lime. Chili with lime? Nah. I ain't never had those. Salt and vinegar be hitting, chat. I ain't gonna lie. They got hot and... Is this hot? What the fuck? I didn't know they had that. Sour cream. Kettle brand above Miss Vicky ho ass. Nah, I don't know. These be hitting. Kettle be hitting some up, like the salt and vinegar kettle joints hit too as well. I think that's what I think it is. But yeah, that's my list, bro. What y'all think? 2 Ruffles and Lay's and Onion F tier. Yeah, negative 10 out of 10. What? Basically everything. The whole thing. The purple chips are butt. No, they not. You tripping. You tripping. They is not butt, bruh. Let me think about now. What I like now. What I like now. Try all the chips. This list adds from really peeping. Fritos and Sun Chips S tier. Autumn mid chips and B. No. You see, you just looking at Fritos. It's the twisted barbecue, nigga. Don't get it twisted. Guess we gotta go to the gas station now.
Why the fuck is it hella dark? Cause it's nighttime? You said pass go to your gate. I don't have a gate. Hopefully it don't lag. Hopefully there's two right there. What's that in the middle of the street? You see that? The fuck is you talking about? You don't see that in the middle of the street? What? You're tripping, bro. Oh, that's the sign. Nah, you haven't even run that. What, boy? What?
What's up, man? What are you doing, you
What's up?
thug?
Huh?
I said, what are you doing, you thug?
Going to the gas station?
Of course. What you gonna do?
Get some food. What the fuck you think I'm gonna do?
Oh, I don't know. I don't know.
They told me though, bro. They gave me 20 to go to the gas station.
I'm not gonna lie. If I was walking down the street and I saw you, I'll go to the other side.
You what? Why would you do that? I'm a nice guy.
I'm just saying.
Chad, we here at the gas station now, bro.
Hey, give me some munchies. And,
What? Like what?
And the Arizona, the lemon.
Damn it!
Yo.
Oh my god, it's so bad. Jesus Christ! What is that? Somebody said for real. Go over a little bit so they can. Well, he on the hill too. How tall I look now?
Like 5'1" now.
D. Harris. Somebody smell like shit.
Am I on speaker?
Chocolate.
Yeah, you don't think, bro.
All right.
Chill.
Man, what we gonna steal?
What?
What do what I want to steal?
Bro, he's so weird.
All right, Jeffrey. So, hold on. We're not even getting chips. What chips?
Chips right here.
Y'all want me to get chips, bro? What am I saying?
Hey, why you stealing?
All right, nobody's stealing. Shut up. All right. They said no one eat munchies. Is it chips or not?
You tripping?
All right, we eat after that we got right here though. Prison food.
There you go. Oh, that's
All right.
regular, I think.
So that's one. Okay, what else? What type there is on it though?
Get a lottery ticket.
I'm not getting the lottery.
Bro, if you get a lottery ticket and you win, bro, you gotta split it.
Get the Pepsi.
Why
She
are
did
they-
something.
Why are they $1.69? Taxing that
It's-
store, bro.
All right, what we getting? Fruit punch. Get the lemonade one. What
That's
lemonade?
some bullshit.
Where you see lemonade at? That's sweet tea right there.
They don't got
That's-
them. They don't
That's
got
not
them.
bad though. Bro, should I get fruit punch?
They saying green tea. Renee saying green tea, so stay away from those unless you want to be stinky.
So green tea, the watermelon will hit. The green tea, get the mango. Bro, y'all all got different answers. Come on, man, choose something. Mango, all right.
Mango is the popular vote. You might like the watermelon one.
Great. I want me to try the Nerds cluster.
Those are good. Get you some gum, because I know your breath stink. Get you some gum.
Ironic little midget.
That's a slur. You're canceled. They got rhino pills? Can you pick me up a rhino pill?
Okay. So we got. Y'all told me to try these. The flaming hot Cheetos. Y'all said the mango Arizona. Hold on, let it clean up. Okay. Reese's Pieces. And some Nerds. They all Mitches, but better than your list. See, yeah, that's just. I think it's just some hating shit. All right, let's start off with the jalapeno then. The jalapeno. Give it a smell. All right, ain't bad. Ain't a bad smell. Rolled so hard as. Not bad.
You making that face?
Cause I don't know what to think about
You
them.
smell some shit.
They like a get it like a 6. You look mad, grossed out for something that's not bad. Nah, it's like a 6. That's what I'm saying. It is some white nigga shit though. Hold on. All right. So we got the flaming hot Cheetos next. Eat up Tubby. What? Fuck up, dude.
What's just normal Cheetos?
These-
Normal hot Cheetos. You never had hot Cheetos?
I ain't had these. These like the double
They're
joints.
They're just hot Cheetos. Don't even double. I think they're just regular.
These is regular.
Yeah. They don't say extra extra. They supposed to have like 2 X's.
Oh. They just changed the bag.
Regular hot Cheetos.
These are
Yeah.
regulars on it. Oh, it'll be a hit. Yeah, they changed the bag. Dumb hit, bro. They like an 8. All right. Turbo Flames, whatever this shit is. Why did y'all make me get this? This is like a waste of money. I know for sure I ain't gonna like these. Favorite candy? I don't know. I was just talking about the sour straws was nice. They hit. But my favorite, like chocolate wise, these motherfuckers. Oh, this right here. These right here, bruh. My favorite chocolate. I eat them all the time. This is my snack that I eat, chat. Ooh.
The fuck is that? Shit!
Why it taste like that? What's in this? Man, this shit's trash. What the fuck? All right. Next up, we got the Nerds gummy clusters. For the 35, you gotta eat all the bro, I'm not eating all the bags. Hold on. Look, cluster bars.
Those are actually pretty
Oh,
good.
this is good as fuck.
Yeah.
Damn. Oh yeah, they hidden. Oh yeah. I ain't have no candy in a while neither. Oh yeah, I'm here. Nah, y'all haven't done them they like a 9, 8 or 9 out of 10, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Arizona. Only ones I ever had was the fruit punch. I never tried any other flavors. Mucho mango. All right, let's see what they hitting on. Fruity ass. Yeah, I only had the fruit punch, bro. Nah, this ain't sweet at all. This shit tastes more like I ain't gonna lie, it's like watered down or something. The OG is iced tea. Oh no, I ain't had iced tea. I don't mind that. I get that like a 7 out of 10. That's good. How you too? Like and subscribe. Facts. Appreciate it.